Builder pattern is one of the creational design pattern and used to manage complexity related to object creation. It is mainly used in objects with large number of optional parameters. Let's see how we can implement a builder design pattern in our application. Before that, we will create a class with list of variables and check what are the drawbacks and how we can solve it using builder pattern. We will set variables like name, office address, home address, country, father name, mother name, number of siblings, company name, home pin code, office pin code, is married, spouse name, which is optional, age, spouse address, spouse age, which is again optional, and number of children, which is also optional field. We need to create various constructors. First constructor is for person with children. Second constructor is for married person without any children. And there will be n number of constructors with different permutations and combinations. And those constructors can be called from client with different arguments. Or we can have list of setters and getters method and use the same in client class. But this will increase the line of code and it will be difficult to read. Let's solve the complexity using builder pattern. In person class, we will set respective variable value and return the actual object. Like we will set name and return this. Similarly, we will set office address, home address, country, and return the person object. And at the end, we will call build method, which will check for some conditions and return me the desired object. Let's create a person named John with home address, Bay Area, office address, downtown, and check if he is married. We will copy and have is married method and spouse method to set the name of the spouse. Let's print John's details. Run the main method. We will see the details are printed successfully. Let's create another person named Peter, who is married. So instead of one build, we can have multiple builds which will provide me different type of person object. We will replace this get details and create separate build method for married and unmarried person and have different business checks or if else condition and throw illegal argument exception if something is missing, and also had a build method for person having a child. So John.build and Peter.build person not married. Oops, the conditions are set wrong. Let me fine tune it. John is not married and Peter is married and his spouse name is Millie. And if we try to build a person who should be married but forgot to set is married to no, then it should throw illegal argument exception. Yeah, we can see the exceptions are thrown perfectly. This is how we can implement builder method. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit like button, share and subscribe to CodeSpace. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.